Hello, this is a class prediction model that we have developed for the task that was given for DevHack. Here we have imported the libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn, Matplotlib, sklearn and SciPy. Then we have imported the dataset. Then we have seen or view our data. Then we have performed the pre-processing like viewing the shape, information, that is data types. We have dropped the not required columns. Then we have found the missing values, whether it is present or not. Then we have overviewed the descriptive statistics of our dataset. Then we have renamed a column for our simplicity. Then we have found the unique values that are present in the dataset for the prediction. Then we have checked the skewness in the data. Then we have performed the exploratory data analysis where we have viewed the count of the types of the glasses. Then we have done an exploratory analysis to check the correlation of each variable with the refractive index with their correlation value. Then we have checked the skewness of each columns in the dataset that is given to us. We have seen the skewness of each of the columns like refractive index, sodium and magnesium and others, where we have find the most of the data are right skewed or left skewed. We show that there is a lot of impure values in the dataset. Then we have find the correlation matrix of the dataset with our target variable. We have also checked the presence of outliers in our dataset. Then we have find the relation of each column with each of the glass type, where we have seen the with refractive index sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, potassium, calcium, barium, iron. We found out that type 6 and 7 has most percentage of sodium present in it. Type 6 and 7 glass has the most concentration of sodium in it. Whereas in magnesium we found that type 1, 2 and 3 has the most presence of magnesium in it. Thereby we found many different inferencing of this data. We didn't perform the outlier removation because it may hamper the original value of the data. If we remove the outliers, it may hamper the original values of the data, which may result in bad accuracy score. Then we have performed the model building, that is we dropped the target column and splitted the dataset into 70-30 ratio, found the shape of the training and the testing set, then we have applied logistic regression which gave an accuracy score of 66%, and they found the confusion matrix and classification report. Again applied a random forest classifier which gave an accuracy score of 80%, and also found the confusion matrix and classification report. We also applied k nearest neighbor which gave an accuracy of 73.84%, and also find the confusion matrix and classification report. We applied the neural network, that is MLP classifier, which gave an accuracy of 66.15%. For that also we found out the confusion matrix and classification report. XGBoost classifier which gave an accuracy of 81.53%. We also found the confusion and the classification report. We then performed the model overview based on the accuracy score. We found out that XGBoost classifier was performing the best, though random forest classifier almost has the same value as the XGBoost classifier. Therefore, we exported our XGBoost model for further inferencing. Thank you.